Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're coloring numbers. Black color, blue color, green color, yellow color, red color. The last one is brown color. Kids, now we draw and coloring numbers. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. Now we draw 2. T-W-O, 2. The next one is 3. T-H-R-E-E, 3. Now we draw 4. F-O-U-R, 4. The next one is 5. Now we draw 6 and use blue color. Now we use blue color. S-I-X, 6. The next one is 7. S-E-V-E-N. Kids, now we draw 8. And the next one is 9. N-I-N-E, 9. The next one is 10. T-E-N. Now we draw 10. Kids, now we use green color and draw 11. E-L-E-V-E-N, 11. The next one is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E, 12. The next one is 13. And now we draw 14. The number of 14. And the next one is 15. Now we draw the number of 15. The next one is 16. Now we use red color. Red color. Now we draw 16. And the next one is 17. Kids, now we draw the number of 18. We again use red color. The next one is 19. Now we draw 19. And the last one is 20. Now we draw the number of 20. Kids, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.